Rotational symmetry. What do you say when the hands of a clock go round? You say that they rotate. The hands of a clock rotate in only one direction about a fixed point, the center of the clock face. Rotation-like movement of the hands of a clock is called a clockwise rotation. Otherwise, it is said to be anti-clockwise. What can you say about the rotation of the blades of a ceiling fan? If you spin the wheel of a bicycle, it rotates. It can rotate in either way, both clockwise and anti-clockwise. When an object rotates, its shape and size do not change. The rotation turns an object about a fixed point. This fixed point is the center of rotation. The angle of turning during rotation is called the angle of rotation. A full turn, means a rotation of 360 degrees. So, what is the degree measure of the angle of rotation for a half turn, a quarter turn? A half turn means rotation by 180 degrees. A quarter turn is rotation by 90 degrees. When it is 12 o'clock, the hands of a clock are together. By 3 o'clock, the minute hand would have made 3 complete turns, but the hour hand would have made only a quarter turn. The paper windmill looks symmetrical, but you do not find any line of symmetry. No folding can help you to have coincident halves. However, if you rotate it by 90 degrees about the fixed point, the windmill will look exactly the same. We say the windmill has a rotational symmetry. In a full turn, that is on rotation through the angles 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree, there are precisely 4 positions when the windmill looks exactly the same. Because of this, we say it has a rotational symmetry of order 4. Here is one more example for rotational symmetry. Consider a square with P as one of its corners. Let us perform quarter turns about the center of the square marked into. This is the initial position. Rotation by 90 degrees about the center leads to this figure. Note the position of P now. Rotate again through 90 degrees and you get third figure. In this way, when you complete 4 quarter turns, the square reaches its original position. It now looks the same as initial figure. This can be seen with the help of the positions taken by P. Thus, a square has a rotational symmetry of order 4 about its center. From this, we can say that the center of rotation is the center of the square, the angle of rotation is 90 degrees, the direction of rotation is clockwise, the order of rotational symmetry is 4. You have around you many shapes which possess rotational symmetry. For example, when you slice certain fruits, the cross sections are shapes with rotational symmetry. Then there are many road signs that exhibit rotational symmetry. Next time, when you walk along a busy road, try to identify such road signs and find about the order of rotational symmetry.